In this video, I'll show you how to change your transport in Uber Eats from bicycle to scooter. First of all, you need to take your mobile phone, or you can do it on your desktop computer, it doesn't matter. You need to go to the browser, and in the Google search, you need to write the simple keyword change Uber Eats vehicle. And you need to click the search. Then you need to open the first result, which is help.uber.com. And right here we'll see the form, and you need to fill all the necessary information and you need to apply. So when you scroll down, you will see types of transports. None of them will be selected, but in this case you need to select the transport you are going to switch to. You need to know your scooter's engine size. For example, if it's up to 125cc, you can tick this. And then you need to scroll down. You need to enter the brand, model, and year of your transport. Also, you need to enter the license plate. And of course, you need to take the photo of your scooter and upload it right here. Then you need to write I agree in this gap and click on submit. This usually takes up to 7 business days for them to review your application, and they will switch your transport from bicycle to scooter. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.